Admin Console can also be used as both a subscriber and the publisher in your system. Now, in order to subscribe to a topic using Admin Console, all you have to do is select the topic in the logical view, right-click, and subscribe. You will then have to go to the Topic Data tab, which will pop up a new window that basically captures all the instances or all the objects for this topic. In this case, we only have one instance with the color blue, but we don't actually see the samples themselves. We see that this instance gets updated, but we don't see a list of the samples. Now, it is possible to get a sample log by going to Visualization Sample Log, selecting the topic that we're interested in, and then we get one entry for every single sample received. Now, we can also get a visualization of the data similar to what any subscribing application would get, so including the metadata, by going to Visualization Sample Inspector. And here, for every sample that we receive, we also have the attached sample info with metadata containing source timestamp, reception timestamp, instance state, view state, sample state, and so on. It is also possible to visualize the data in form of a chart. So we have the time chart feature here, where we again select the topic that we want, we select the instance and the attributes that we want to plot on the chart, let's say X and Y. And then we will see our samples in time chart form. Okay. Now, in order to publish data, we have the same mechanism. Right-click on the topic, publish. And this pops up a window with a Python script that we can modify in order to publish data. So let's say we want to publish a red circle with position 100, 200 and shape size 40. We then just click execute code here. And every single time we do this, it will populate the sample queue with the sample that we just created. So for example, we want to change the key. This would be another instance. Every single time we click, a new sample is created. Now, this is all good in some cases, but in other cases, we want to publish periodically. So let's say that our sample changes. We want to increment this by 10 and wrap it around. So let's say sample X plus 10, wrap it around to 300. And we want to publish this periodically every 200 milliseconds. So we go to settings here, execute code periodically, 200 milliseconds, apply, and then run. And then we can see that Admin Console starts publishing these samples. And we can actually go to the subscriber view and see the samples that we have published with Admin Console and that we're also subscribing with Admin Console as well.